Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our welcome project. Today it is 29th June 2024 and today I just want to go over the things what we have set up before it is 12:30 p.m. Okay. As you people remember, we have added some records for all these email addresses with some opt-in date, right? So under the master data extension, we have 19 records, 19 records. And let us see what is the sign up date of them. Today it is 29. We are expecting to send an email to anyone who has signed up on 28th. If you look into this data, so we have 27th date. We don't have anyone who has signed up on 28th. Okay, I'll add that later. Now, for this particular information, let us see what is the automation which we have created and how the emails will be going out and to whom. First, let us understand that. And before it is 12:30, let's try to add record. Let's try to understand how the things go. Okay, if I go with welcome page one, this is the welcome email one, and this is the automation which is running, and it will run at 12:30 p.m. Indian time zone. 12:30 p.m. Indian time zone. This activity, which is email activity, will be sending email. Okay, this will be sending the email. Let us see what is the email it will be sending. It will be sending the email, welcome email, June 28, 2024. There is no personalization. We need to add it. And it will be sending the email to this data extension, welcome phase one sign up yesterday. Okay, this is the configuration what we have. Automation will run automatically at 12:30. But before that, let us try to understand what will happen if we don't do some of the things. Like, for example, so we need to have data. We need to have data in test data extension, this one. We need to have data in this test data extension. And this data extension is a filter data extension, which is a standalone filter data extension. You will understand more when we move forward. Standalone data extension expects you to refresh it manually. So if you go into this data extension, which is a filter data extension, this data extension is getting data from this one, test welcome phase one. And according to the setup, it will take the data from sign up date. And if it is equal to today minus 1 day, today minus 1 day, today is 29, minus 1 day is 28, according to account time zone. This account is set up in Indian time zone. Now I have to refresh this. Before refreshing, I would like to show what is the data it is having. It is having 27th date. Sign up date is 27th because it was been set up yesterday. Now, if I refresh this, what will happen? You have to refresh this data extension before 12:30 manually. What will happen now is this sign up date in the source data extension. This is called as source. This should have someone with date 28. Why? Because sign up date, it is having 27. 28 minus 1 is 27. Today is 29th minus 1 will be 28. There is no data related to 28 here. And if I refresh it, it should be 0 records. If I don't refresh this before, if I don't refresh this before 12:30, it will send the email to the same two people. To avoid this, I will just refresh this icon and data extension. Now it should be 0 records. After this refresh happens manually, it will go to this data extension and it will be 0. Why? Sign up date is expected to be 28. Okay. So source data extension will still have the data. Now, as you people know, we need to import the data into this from our master. You can do it in two different ways. Go to your data extension, export the data. This is the master data. Export it. And we don't have data of 28. We don't have data of 28. So what I'll be doing, just to make sure that we have data of 28, I'll be adding one record today, which will be having sign up date, 28. So to do that, as you people know, we have already created the file. This is the CSV file, and this is our data, right? So import data. This one, import data. I'll click and open this, and I will add a new record. I will add a new record for this, and this record will be 28 is the date of sign up. So I'll be adding one data. What is this? 28. This is the, we have this 28, right? I think sign up date should have been changed, correct? Oh, yesterday the record was added in this way, correct? This is correct. So we need to have a sign up date 28, but it should have 29 here. So what is happening now? Sign up date is 29. Expected date should have been 30th, right? So there is one data which is being not correct. So what is that we need to do? I'll just add one record here. And now I will add my email address. Raj.prasad.raju.yadav@gmail.com. Okay. Based on this is the email, and this should be generated, right? So for that, we need to have this changed, right? Let us add 29 June 2024, correct? So based on this, let me remove this first. Only this part. And what is this kind of thing? How it is getting generated? There is a formal idea, right? Okay, let's see. 29, this should be 30, correct? Let us have this one also as 30. 1, 0, 1 should be a fixed step. Perfect. So based on this should have been generated. No, this is not getting generated. I can formalize one. That is fine. I'll add it manually. So if the sign up date is 06/28/2024, sign up date has to be different, right? It is expected to be, I think I'll corrected some data. This is not correct. Sign up date is 27. This is 28 June, correct. ID is 28, correct. And if this is sign up date, if it is 28, it should have 27. 27 2024 underscore issue first. Okay. 27 sign up date, 28 is the ID, correct? 28 is the sign up date, 27 is, this is correct. I think this has to be changed. We need to update this accordingly. Okay, if we don't do this, data will be correct. But I need to add and update into my data function. So this is 28, 27. This is correct. So now 29, 30, 28 two record, 29 on record, 30 there are two records, and then the remaining. So this is dependent on this. So sign up date is 30. Okay, 30, 30, 1 and later. This is good. This is good. And the last name will be exactly the same email address. That is what I followed. And this has to be generated. Right? Is equal to concat. Uh, oh, concatenation is going wrong. Since I go with concatenation like this, then this will be wrong. So, okay, concatenation was wrong. So what I have to do is I have to take 1 day before. This should be 29, 29, and this should be 27. This is correct. So this and later should be the first. This should be 30, and it should be 20. Okay, this is sign up date 30, two people, 29, this is correct. So this should be going with concat 1, comma, this one, comma, this one, comma, double quotes underscore, comma, and this one. So now this is good. We have someone from 28. Sign up date is 27. What is that? 27, 28. It should have been 28, 29. Okay, 28 is 29. Okay, this is good. 28, 27 sign up date. ID should be 28. 27, 28. So in that case, anyone who is 29, 28 is the sign up date. This is 29. And if the sign up is date is 30, it should be the next date to be generated. So P will be 01, 01, 02, 03, 04. Should be July, July, 11. Okay. 28 will be 29, 30 will be first. 29 will be 28 is the sign up date, it should be 30. 28 will be 29. So this will be sign up date will be 29. Then this will be 30 June. Sign up date is 30, this will be 1st July. Sign up date is 1, this will be okay. Now this is correct. This is correct. 28 Okay, this is good. 27 will be 23, 8. Okay. Sign up date is 27, date is 28, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 31, 1 will be 2, and 15 will be, I need to select 1, 2, 3, and then change it accordingly. Perfect. This is good. I need to close this and import it into our master data. Same data will be imported into our, this is known as import wizard. This is known as import wizard. Margin import. I'll go with add and update. Override. Completely I'll change it because I want completely new. And close it. Perfect. This will be added, and exactly I'll be importing the same information into my test data extension. Test data extension is having records. I'll import it completely. Good. Now let us see the sign up date. Sign up date 27, 28 is good. 29th is today, so we are expecting at least one record as sign up date. So let's see, we have 20 records. This is good. Let us see the sign up date 27, 28. Okay, we are expecting this only record to be sent out today. So today is 29th minus 1, 28. This is good. Now let us go into phase 1 test. So we have 20 records. We have 0 records since I executed the, it is 0. Sign up date is important. 28 is good. All the others looks good. Now I need to refresh this manually before 12:30. So let's refresh this one. Once it is refreshed, I'm expecting only one record, and that record should be of Chandra Prasad, which I added newly. And that record should have sign up data yesterday. It should have sign up data yesterday. So today is 29, sign up date is 28. ID should be 29 June 2024. Chandra Prasad, this is good. Email address looks good. Valid customer. This is my last name for now. So it was imported today. This is also good. So now we are expecting only one email to go out at 12:30. Every day I have to import and refresh it. If already records are present, I need to just go ahead and now I have welcome folder. And if you people remember, welcome folder was having 2 sends from yesterday. Okay, 1 and 1. Welcome email 1 June 28, June 28. This is also good. Now let us expect the result by 12:30. So automation will run. It will pick the email, it will pick the data extension, and email will go out. So the email what we are expecting to go out today is for Chandra Prasad. Chandra Prasad sign up date is 28. 29th we are sending the email. Okay. So sign up date is 28. 29th will be email sent out. Good. Now let us confirm the user initiated email configuration once. And we will be doing personalization tomorrow. This one. Okay, this is good. Let me scroll down and confirm the tracking folder. Okay, tracking folder looks good. Multi-path mime. It is sending the email to test welcome phase one sign up date. One subscriber welcome emails. Deduplicate, yes. This is all looking good. Now we need to continue at 12:30 to check whether the automation executed and did it send the email. If it is completed with the send email, all subscribers should have one new record because the email will be sent today. Currently, we have 53 records, expecting it will be 54. Expecting it will be 54. So for now, I'll be just pausing this recording and screen stopping. I'll continue the same at 12:30. Okay. Thank you. Hello everyone, we are continuing our recording. So here we are. So the number of all subscribers is 53. And as I was explaining about data and email send, let's go into our Automation Studio as organized or set up from yesterday. It should have completed execution by 12:30. Let's see whether it is completed. And we are expecting only one email sent today. This one. And 29:30, it is completed. It took 57 seconds. Email has sent out. And who should be receiving the email? The email should be received by chandra.prasad.raju.yadav because sign up date is 28. 28 plus 1 is 29 or 29 minus 1 is 28. So if I go into tracking sends, under welcome folder, there should be one email sent today. You can see this. And that email is sent to chandra.prasad.raju.yadav. You can click on this icon, this hyperlink, and you can see the subscriber key and the email address. This subscriber key, now it is expected to be added to all subscribers, and all subscribers should be 54. Good. And expected one is 54. We'll go to page 3. And at the bottom, you can see the new subscriber key for this email address. This was added yesterday. Okay, so this is how it works. And tomorrow, before the automation goes out, I need to refresh this filter DE. Why? Every day before 12:30, we need to refresh this to get subscriber from previous date. So this is the manual work which we have to do it, which will be automated by Tuesday. Okay. So with this, I'll be stopping the entire recording. Please watch the entire recording and understand it. Come with your questions for it. Thank you.